Have you ever wondered how tortillas are actually made? Follow me as I get an exclusive look at Toufayan Bakery's tortilla factory. This place is enormous, and it starts off with quality ingredients that are mixed together in this massive mixer, and then this massive amount of dough is pushed into this machine that is amazing because all it does is make these dough balls that automatically takes them up the elevator and straight to this flattening machine. It just presses each one of these balls of dough again onto a conveyor belt into this hearth baking oven. Throughout the entire process, there's somebody always overlooking and making sure that each tortilla is the right shape and size. And here's the best part: when they come right out of the oven, they're soft and silky and so flavorful. This was my favorite part of the tour. Now the computers count exactly how many tortillas go in each package, and that pile of tortillas goes straight onto another, you guessed it, conveyor belt. It's a hands-free process to package all these piles of tortillas, and somebody's actually there to make sure that every single one of these Toufayan wraps are perfect, sealed up, and ready to travel straight to your nearest supermarket.